All right, it's storytelling time with Slappy Adventure. Yay!
Papa Slappy, would you please tell us a story? Please, please.
All right, children. Let Slappy Adventures tell you a little story. You guys ready?
Yeah, we ready.
All right, here we go.
Once upon a time, not long ago.
We coming back down 40. Chun said, damn, K-Smooth. Man, I'll ride with your wife anytime. She be getting it, boy.
I like to ride.
Yeah, we riding 85. I'm like, damn, I'm in the back. I'm like, shit, I'm doing 110. I just slow that motherfucker down up first. I can't tell.
When you're in the back, you got to speed.
I'm like, damn, yo.
You got to get down.
That's how it was when we felt like we was going to Pensacola with Strick.
Yeah. Oh, Strick.
Oh my God, Strick was going, I know, every 200. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. 200. Going to California, I let Strick leave. He couldn't stand to be behind nobody. He'd be in the left lane. I said, well, just get up front, Stick. I'll tell you which way we're going. He get to going, we doing about 90 because the speed limit went to 80. I'm looking at him, I said, okay, he doing 90. I'm asking him, he looking in the mirror like that. We doing 95 and he said, oh, they gonna keep up? I said, God dog! you ain't seeing nothing. You just right here the whole time. Straight ahead, you ain't seen nothing. No scenery.
That's why he's going to Pensacola. I was like,
Raise him up, Strick, y'all. Raise him up.
We're sitting back telling stories and remembering my good friend Strickland, Bobby Strickland, I like to call him, and giving a little toast out to him. Rest in peace, bro. We sure miss you out here.
Hey, Ron Rebels.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Miss Rebels.
Raise one up for Strick.
Okay, one up for Strick.
Man, hey, right here, that right there is to one of the dang baddest ass mechanics I damn know, boy. Fix any damn vacuum mechanic, Strick.
Bike, cars.
That's drunk too early.
I know.
My cup at?
You get up here.
My cup, yo.
Just drink some of this,
No,
man.
you get up here.
Hey,
You might
they didn't see nothing.
It was just water. It's all right. My bad. It's all right.
All right, y'all, raise him up. I'm going to take a picture. Come over here. Raise him up. Raise him up.
Hold on, Teresa, hold on. Damn.
You got to turn around to get in it too.
Get behind the bar, son.
Hold on, paparazzi.
Look at Ronnie. You always got to be the asshole. Get up and raise your cup up.
Strickland, rest in peace, bro.
Don't be, hey, you think you can't get Duncan's shit?
Raise him up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. There we go.
Hey, but see, I gotta ask everybody. Did y'all go down with us?
I know it.
No, they didn't go down with us.
Oh man.
You like my big little brother.
Teresa. Steph.
What's up?
Ron Rebels and Miss Rebels. When we hit A1A, when we went down through that motherfucker, was it beautiful?
It was.
Oh my God.
That was
gorgeous. Where's that?
I'm glad we went there.
Y'all didn't make it, yeah.
I was going too down fast to see
St. Augustine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice, yeah.
That was beautiful.
Y'all got 81.
That's why I ride.
A1A.
That's why I ride right now.
A1A down
No, we didn't.
St. Augustine from Jacksonville.
But you know what?
I'm looking at you.
I'm gonna give you a motherfucker. If I never gave you a pop.
You ain't never gave me no problem.
It's that shit. How dare you done took my bottle?
You hope you don't mind? I'm trying to help you out.
But no, that's the shit. That's why I ride.
Yeah.
We get to see shit like that. That's why I ride.
Straight to the bottom.
Boy, I'm so proud of you. I'm gonna tell a little more.
First time I ever seen you drinking. Let me pour my own damn pours, man.
Hey, boy, his own trouble.
I got some more.
Some coke.
Just let that ice melt in there.
I ain't no powerball.
Hey, but that 50 seconds.
Oh yeah. On the back road.
That's right, man.
Hey, keep the video going.
That's why I get that.
Kevin, what ham gonna tell you? Check this out, ho. Hey, what ham gonna tell you when I'm on the road?
I'm talking to him on the road when I be him. He doing his rap, I'm doing my rap. And I'm asking him on, you going somebody's trip? He said, nah, I don't think I'm going. He said, I'm gonna tell you something now. Hold on, let me get in character.
I got one of
He's an old flat over is a different kind of character. I do when you're on the trip now. He'll leave your ass. I
called Hambone. I said, yeah, it's time to go. I said, Hambone, you coming? He said, yeah. He said, I said, it's time to go. He said, I'll catch you. I said, all right. And he catches every time.
Elmo said, you know about that too.
Different kind of character.
Time to go, it's time to go.
I tell you, boy, that was absolutely.
I like riding and looking in my mirror and seeing all them bikes, and I'm like, damn. I'm with all these bikes.
Hey, ho. We were laughing at your ass before you got here, though.
Teresa's going with me.
So when my trailer shit happened, you know, the trailer shit, you know, on side road. So, Hope, you know, you told me to get over, right?
Okay.
So Hope, he told me to I got over, so he gunned it. Hope went down the highway, called Slappy. So he called Slappy. Hope come back up the interstate. On the same side where it was.
I do shit like that.
It ain't hit you.
I do shit
That
like
He jumped on my ass.
That Slappy had to take him back down right there.
I'm coming. He said, you tell your friend, y'all ain't gonna do bop. I said, all right, man, I tell him. No, you go. I mean, it was good guy. Good cop, bad cop. I said, hey, motherfucker, if you want to go talk to him, he's up the damn road. Go get him his ass. Don't come chewing my shit, boy.
But man, when you see your partner shit smoking like it, you don't know if it's on fire or what.
Yeah.
But you trying to get help.
I'm gonna tell you what happened.
Marcus called me when you was coming up.
I'm gonna tell you what happened. I seen some fucking smoke back there.
Oh, so you just got.
But I didn't know that shit was mine.
Kevin, whoever was behind you, I don't know why they didn't stop.
I didn't know who was smoking.
Kevin, I was behind. Wait, I seen the motherfucking smoke. Then I'm going down and saying, what the fuck? And then I started seeing a black mark. I was like, oh, hell no, I gotta get him. That's when I come and got you.
Upstairs when you call.
I seen the smoke. But I didn't know it was my shit. Suspension, the actual on the trailer.
It's a black mark.
At the wheel.
Shit, I gotta go get him.
Then you say, well, Rita should have got your shit. Rita was like, I didn't know what to do.
But you know what? Say that goddamn gold wing I got, it got special power. They got a button, I gotta reach up under the belly and push.
And you can reach it.
I can reach it. That ain't for me. It's made for me. It's a chop people. Take it down and do it like that. You had enough. Like, damn. And then I told you that I went and got them.
He said, who? Well, Marcus had already called me. He was on the phone with me when you were doing all that. Yeah.
Oh, hell, if I knew that, hell, he should have told me. Back there. Get down.
Marcus quiet. Marcus, you won't even know Marcus if you see him.
He should have told me, get down, little man, get down.
I always forget about it.
But you know, I didn't have my helmet on.
See, I didn't know Chris done the same thing you did.
But I didn't have my helmet on, so I could. It was her husband.
Well, I didn't know she had went up the road. I thought it was just you. I didn't know that till last week.
You just told me that too.
You went up the road too.
But I'm gonna tell you something, man. After I turned that fucking
I didn't know that either.
that motherfucker felt like the tires was flat. It was so fucking wobbly. I ain't never felt nothing like it. After I turned it around, cause that the interstate is slant like this, and you don't really notice it. But that motherfucker, after I turned it around, Like, goddamn, I done got a nail or something this regular motherfucker.
That's a good place to pick one up on their shoulder.
I see, like I was just riding, I see Hope fly. I immediately went to my rear view. I said, oh my God. So he said, Kevin, I said, oh my God, is he okay? I immediately stopped, turned around, and went right back. So then,
Did you go first or he went first?
no.
No,
Did I
you
go?
did. No, you got
I had
the
to be her
first.
because I told her. And then I had to kick
Yeah, he had to go
down.
down. So I turned around, I'll be here back. Be here
Damn,
back.
Gina?
Because I was telling you what, man.
The fuck?
I know you was the original.
If you go in there, you gonna get burned up.
She's the original culprit.
Please make sure your wife get to say goodbye.
Hey, I'm gonna be honest with you. When you said Kevin, automatically she thought the worst.
Yeah, but you got
I
record.
told her.
She got
Yeah.
he's dead. Let me catch him before he take his last breath.
I couldn't.
First can't out stop him.
Yeah, I turned around first.
We did some shit though, didn't we? I tell you.
I ain't even know. I look back, I got everybody over. I'm
But you
like,
know what? I would have took that motherfucking ticket for you, dog.
Hey man, I appreciate that.
Yeah, I would
I
have.
appreciate it.
I would have.
That's all right.
He's gonna take it for you.
Hey,
I ain't that man. Don't get him. I'm gonna take you where he at. I need my license.
Yeah, you can't tell me I see a man somewhere smoking, and I ain't gonna go back and check him out. If it was one of theirs, if they would have got a call, well, we got a shootout back here, they would have made a motherfucker U-turn and went back the wrong way for one of theirs. I'm doing the same
I
thing
done
for
did it the
mine.
wrong
Fuck
way.
it. I drink to that.
It'll go to
I'm gonna drink to it too.
I've done it too, but I mean, we had just passed them police, so I
I was
said,
drunk though. That's why they got me.
were them the same two that we passed?
yeah.
Okay, cause I seen them.
And we was rolling when we passed them.
Yeah.
I seen them. I kind of eased out of it. But I mean, you know, 95, they running.
It's too late.
Oh, it's too late. Yeah, they gonna get you. They gonna get you.
Yeah. I drink to that too.
They gonna get you.
Well, that was wild right there.
But I done had some hell of a trips with that going down there.
So
I think after that whole thing, the only thing I was pissed off about, like truly pissed off, was that blanket didn't come out until 30 minutes before we
Actually,
left.
what happened was,
Who had a blanket at the truck stop and brought it? I was like,
left
that
side.
should have been out too.
Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm back.